Hello and welcome to Extrutech Plastics, located in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, home to beautiful Lake Michigan. Over the last 25 years, we have all seen the pictures of devastation that Mother Nature can unleash on the inhabitants of our coastal seashores, the Gulf Coast, Caribbean islands, or even here in the Midwest. Hurricanes bring with them storm surges of caustic seawater and extremely high winds that destroy everything in its path. Homes, commercial buildings, churches, schools are gone. For many years, Extrutech has been working on ways that we could produce a wall product that could withstand the worst effects of these strong storms and help save lives. I'm standing in front of the Extrutech model house. This is no ordinary house. It is a plastic and cement house. The walls, doors, room partitions, and ceilings are made of 100% high-grade exterior virgin plastic. The walls are constructed using our patented extruded 24-inch wide by 6-inch thick hollow panel with reinforcing webs inside. These panels are then cored on the inside to receive the steel rebar. To build the interior walls, we use this 24-inch wide panel with a tongue and groove design for a tight connection. These large panels snap and lock together to become one solid unit. Then we fill these walls with steel rebar and 4,000 pound PSI strong cement that is added to the entire structure, outside and inside, walls included. After drying for a few days, these walls are rock solid and completely waterproof and rot-proof. This model house is 22 feet long and 17 feet deep, for a total of 374 square feet of living space. The outside walls are 7'6" high and 9'6" at the peak. This house has 4 rooms, including a living room, 2 bedrooms, and 1 restroom. Normally, this house would be built on a concrete slab. The walls would be anchored to the concrete slab with steel anchorments and rebar coming up from the slab and into the vertical walls before the walls are filled with cement. This makes a very strong union between the floor and the walls. The roof framing may vary from area to area depending on the local style and building codes, but hurricane straps should be utilized on all structural roof framing members to secure the roof to the cement walls. The underside of these roof members can be covered with our plastic beaded panel, as you see here, to give it a pleasant, finished appearance. Insulation could be installed between the roof and the ceiling panels for extra comfort. The advantages of this house are that it is completely water and insect proof and virtually maintenance free. It can withstand hurricane force winds if constructed correctly and will never rot, rust, discolor, or float away. This house is extremely durable and strong and will give added security and protection to people during a hurricane, tornado, or severe thunderstorm. Extrutech Plastics can offer this product in 3 colors: white, beige, and gray. In almost any size, this house can be delivered to your job site as a pre-cut kit, including the metal roof, ready for erection. You would need to add the concrete floor, cement, and rebar for the walls. You would also have to have your local contractors install the electrical, water, and plumbing services to the building during the assembly phase. Always follow your local building codes and required safety standards during construction. If you are thinking of building a new home, please send us your floor plans and our design staff can put together a material list and price quotation for your project. On behalf of Extrutech Plastics, I wish to thank you for watching this video and learning about our exciting new building products that could make your life safer. Please call us at 888-818-0118 to speak to one of our friendly, experienced sales staff to learn more about the Extrutech house. Thank you.